Just took this thing out for the first time. Since I flipped it, man, broke my collarbone. I was so scared to get back on this thing, y'all. I just knew that if I didn't get back on it sooner or later, I was going to just be more and more afraid of it. I tell y'all what, though, man, my brother got it fixed, dude, and he killed it. I mean, it's brand new. I figured I'd have totaled it. But whoever did this for us, thank y'all. I was just thinking I was out there running around all the Grammys with a broken collarbone. Every time I hugged somebody that week, I was willing to scream. I just didn't say it. But every time somebody squeezed me, dude, I thought I was going to cry. Sometimes the machine can do more than the user thinks it can. This was all user error. But anyways, moral of the story, get back on that pony, baby. Love y'all.
A little ATV wrecker. You are not gangster. You think this gives you more street cred?
Listen, man, I'm a fucking country boy now.